Hi, to set up the power button to power off on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, as the first step, we will need to open Settings and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Advanced Features. Click on it and here open this tab which says Side Button. As you can see, currently on the press and hold we got Wake, Bixby, but not all of the users are really happy to wake up the Bixby when most of them doesn't use her. So here we can easily switch it to power off menu by clicking on this text. And now when I will hold my button, I will easily get to the power off menu. And also here we got interesting feature which is double press. Currently it's on quick launch camera, which means if I'll double click, camera will launch on my phone. But also we can switch it to any other app. Here you can choose the open app and you'll immediately get to the tab where you can select which application you would like to open. So for example, let's leave it on the Chrome, and now by double clicking on this button, Chrome will appear on the screen. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.